We look at dairy farming as literally one of the most sustainable types of agriculture out there. Sand recycling is just a really good example of one of the things that we're big believers in.
We've been doing this for quite a while. All the free stalls are bedded with digested, separated solids. I look at it as being a proactive thing, and I'm making everybody else's job on the farm easier.
We've been big believers of sand. Started in the early 80s. Well, with the number of cows we're milking here, that was about 150,000 tons of sand handled every year. It was taking a full-time crew to move all of this sand around, a lot of diesel fuel, a lot of wear on the machinery. We knew as we were expanding, we had to come up with a method that we can not only recycle, but really had to have high-quality sand to put back under our ladies. Really happy with what we've stumbled upon here. It's been a team effort with McLanahan. We've got a sand that really does what we set out to do with sand in the first place, keep cows around for forever, keep our milk quality within the top 1-2% anywhere in the world, and just not have to ever buy bedding.
We have about 1,100 total dairy cows. Standards of what used to be good now is average. Being in the dairy industry long term, I didn't want to be average. Anytime you can reduce stress, everything gets better. We needed to see improvements in less treated cows here. We wanted to see improvement in cell count. We wanted to see improvement in reproduction. We're just trying to make a better system. This seemed like it was the missing link that we were looking for. We put an end loader bucket in the morning. We put an end loader bucket in somewhere around noon, and that's it. It just runs, and it's really not taking a lot of manpower.
The entire process from leaving the barn to actually coming out the other end of the dryer, ready to be placed back under the cows, is about 4 hours on average. So a pretty incredible time frame to get an awful lot of stuff done.
The one thing that's always bugged me is our average age of our herd is too young. Kind of a lot of it was because our cull rate was too high. A year ago, in our dairy, we had 25 cases of toxic mastitis. So far this year, with the dryer running, we haven't had any.
Our goal here is to have less than 1/4% at any given time in a treat pen. Since going to the dried sand, there's no doubt about it, we consistently hit that number. That's a pretty cool feat on 8,000 cows.
So far, everything looks really good. Cows are more comfortable on it. It's softer. It doesn't freeze in the stalls. The cows in the barn look cleaner.
Obviously, when you stay at a hotel, you don't want to lie on wet sheets. Same thing with our cows. We were kind of surprised at how dry we got it. So here we've got this continuously reusable closed-loop system of sand for about 20 cents on the dollar versus buying new sand. And that's not even including the costs that it would take to dispose of the dirty sand.
I like the idea of working with a major company that has a name and a reputation. They had a local dealer. I would be able to get parts and maintenance and expertise into keeping this thing running for a long time.
There's no doubt about it. McLanahan has all the experience in the mining industry. If it can hold up in the mining industry, our industry makes it kind of look like a cakewalk.